Hello guys, welcome to my new blog. How are you doing? Must be fine, happy and healthy. So we started our third day with a walk. We wake up little late as we slept late last night. So we went towards the wooden walkway that was just beside our campsite. People were already there to catch fish and crabs. We were also enjoying, we saw a few crabs there and we sat there for some time and enjoyed the peaceful view. After that, we came back to the tent and made some tea and breakfast for everyone. So, fishing was the first thing in our plan, so we all left by boat for fishing. On the way, we saw some beautiful ship as well as the replica ship of Christopher Columbus. So, we stopped there for some time and we just see how the boat looks like, and it was like awesome experience. We were like loving it. David was preparing all the equipment for fishing. So he had all the equipment that we need for the fishing. So he prepared everything and he was training everyone how to do fishing. Pradeep was all into it. He just wanted to click some photo of himself catching the fish. So he was the one who was getting trained for the first. And then David trained everyone who was there on the boat. So we were trying to catch the fish. Kushi was also learning it, and David was trying hard to get her trained how to catch the fish. She was also very interested for fishing, so she was trying hard to get herself trained to catch the fish. But the problem was, it was our hard luck. We didn't catch any fish. We stayed there for like more than an hour. We tried our best. We could like hardly see anything in the ocean that day. So we even changed the place also. Like we shifted from one place to other place if we can get some fish out there. But we failed and we returned back to our tent. After that, we went to catch the clams. For that, we stopped our boat where the depth was just 1 to 2 feet, and everyone got into the water. We got success. We got many clams. Everyone was enjoying catching the clams. It was just the Pradeep who was interested only in getting his photo clicked in all the pools. So David take out his equipment and he wanted to eat a raw clam. So David was trying hard to open one clam, and then he ate the clam raw. He liked it. He was like it was awesome because it was just live. He catched it and then he ate it. And Sukanya wanted to try it. So David again opened one more clam. Again, you can see Pradeep is here to pose as if he ate it, but it was not. Then Sukanya tried one clam and she kind of liked it, and she ate one more clam there, and she was happy trying it. Gundappa was very happy with his first experience of catching the clams, and he was very excited also. He caught many. Everybody was enjoying catching clams, and I was on the boat because I was the in charge of the boat. So we were listening to the Hindi music and we were the middle of the ocean and enjoying catching the clams. So we actually catched a lot of clams. Then we did barbecue of the clams at night as we had the grill and everyone had it. We gave it to some of our neighbors that was there beside us who were camping there. So while we were busy cooking, Kushi was busy charging her phone and reading books in the car while Gundappa planned and tried to scare her, but it was totally a failed attempt from his side because she didn't even bother that who was there beside her, and she continued reading her books and we made fun of Gundappa after that. So before we go to bed, we tried to catch some crabs also, but we could not keep it because there are some rules and regulations for the size of the crabs and fish because they were of small size. So we like throw them back into the water. I hope you guys like this blog. Please like, comment, share, and
Reside.
subscribe to my
Bye.
channel and enjoy. Bye.